it's Amy with Tire Supply Network, here to introduce a new product to you that can help remove tape weights in an efficient and non-damaging way. Does your shop still use a scraper to remove tape weights? The days of worrying about possibly damaging rims are over with Esco's adhesive wheel weight removal tool. It is easy to use, won't damage the wheel, and it features a unique universal jaw design which will pick up any size tape weight. It has an anti-slip, rubber-coated handle created specifically for constant daily use. It is designed to ensure that only the weight is being leveraged during removal, which means absolutely no damage to your customer's rims. Lastly, the tool has adjustable clamping force, which allows for precise use of tool on most sizes of adhesive weights.